Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious holiday cookie that I give as a gift for Christmas. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this holiday cookie, these are the ingredients: unsalted butter, almonds, baking powder, a pinch of salt, vanilla extract, egg yolks, chocolate chips, cranberries, sugar, and all-purpose flour. This is everything we need to make this delicious holiday cookie. So let's get started. I am going to start with the unsalted butter that it's at room temperature. I took it out of the refrigerator 2 hours before making these amazing cookies. And here I'm adding granulated sugar, and I'm going to incorporate it really good. These cookies come out delicious and amazing. Once they're incorporated, I'm going to add the 3 egg yolks, the vanilla extract, and I'm going to incorporate it. Look at this. This is my workout for the day. You need to make sure that everything is well and incorporated and all the ingredients are at room temperature. Now I'm adding the all-purpose flour, baking powder, pinch of salt, and the rest of the all-purpose flour. And I'm going to sift it so that the cookies come out delicious and amazing. When you start mixing with your spatula, be careful because you could really make a mess of the all-purpose flour. Once this is done, I am going to start mixing with my hand until I get the dough nice and combined and I get a ball of dough. Look at this. This dough is a little bit thick. It's not runny at all. Look at the texture. Once this is done, I am ready to start crushing my almonds. I'm adding to this delicious cookie almonds, cranberries, and chocolate chips. But here I have whole almonds that I'm going to start crushing a little bit so that they are not in there whole. I am going to crush them. This is my workout of the day. Once this is done, I am going to add it directly into the ball of dough. And I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm adding right now the chocolate chip, semi-sweet, and the cranberries. And now I am ready to incorporate these dry ingredients into the dough. I am going to do it with my hand. This is the best tool to incorporate all those seeds into my dough. Take your time when you do it. This cookie comes out so delicious that I am sure you are going to continue making this cookie year round. Once everything is incorporated just like that and nothing is loose at all, then I am going to make 2 portions out of this dough. Look at this. I'm just going to eyeball it and make 2 portions. Look at this. This is a very easy cookie. Now I'm going to roll out, being very careful. I'm going to roll it out gently until it's about this size. I have some saran wrap that I'm going to put in it, because I'm going to take it to the refrigerator for about 20 minutes so it gets nice and hard. Remember that I'm using the unsalted butter. The unsalted butter is going to make this dough nice and hard. This is the best thing, using the unsalted butter better than using the salted butter. Of course, with the unsalted butter, you have control of how much salt your cookies have. But once you add them in the saran wrap, then just move them a little more, roll them out, put them on a baking sheet, and I'm going to do the same thing with the other ball of dough. I'm going to lay it here, do the next one. Always remember to put this dough into the refrigerator so it starts getting nice and hard, and it is easy for you to cut the cookies out. I think this one is a little longer than the other one, but that's okay. You're gonna get about 45 cookies out of this recipe. Very delicious cookie and easy recipe. Of course, you're going to have all the ingredients in the description box so that you could enjoy this cookie like I enjoyed here with my beautiful family. Okay, I'll see you back in about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it is nice and hard, and now I am ready to cut out the cookies. I can't even find the opening. Well, now it's nice and hard, and let's get the knife and start slicing. Try to make all your cookies the same size so that they cook at the same time. Remember to preheat your oven to 250 Fahrenheit before you take your dough inside. Look at this. Look how beautiful they look. I'm going to leave them in the oven for 18 minutes, and then I'll see you when I bring them out. After 18 minutes, they are nice and barely getting nice and golden brown from the top, but from the bottom, they are golden brown. I'm going to let them cool down for just a little bit, and let me show you how I give these cookies for Christmas. I really enjoy making these amazing cookies. The flavor is just amazing. Look at this. I have a little box for cookie for a present. And now I'm just going to organize all my cookies in there. If you liked and loved this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am done with this amazing holiday
for the
cookie.
holidays. This is a delicious cookie, and all those flavors really incorporate into these cookies. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.